Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to program this one for all universal remote to your TV. This remote works with any TV brand, whether it's smart or non-smart, and whether your TV is on or off. So my Samsung TV is now off. So we're gonna work with these buttons right here, the setup button and the numbers. We're gonna use one digit code only, one number only for each TV brand. For example, I have a Samsung TV, so I'm gonna use number 5. I'm going to add the one digit code that corresponds to each TV brand at the end of this video. So to start, hold down the setup button until the LED light blinks twice on your remote, then release the button. Next, you just press the one digit code that corresponds to your TV brand. I am going to add the one digit code, so let's go. Hold down the setup button. So the light blinks twice. Now I'm gonna hold down number 5 for Samsung. Don't release the button. Keep on holding until your TV is on or off. It depends if your TV is on or off. So my TV is on. I can now use all the buttons in my universal remote. Let's go to menu. Okay, perfect. So volume down, volume up. You can switch channels with the plus and minus, and you have the numbers. Everything works on this remote. You can switch input if you have connected other devices to your TV. Let's change HDMI. Okay, perfect. Let's go back to live TV with this button right here. You can turn off your TV, power off, power on. So I'm just gonna do that again just to make sure you have all the steps. We're gonna hold down the setup button. Next, you just choose the one digit code that corresponds to your TV brand. So let's go. Hold down the setup, release the button once the LED light blinks twice on your remote, then hold down the number that corresponds to your TV brand. In my case here, it's number 5. It's a Samsung TV. Perfect. So my TV is on now. Now check this. You will find the one digit code that corresponds to your TV brand in the following chart. Please subscribe if it's the first time you're watching my videos. See you on the next one.